quickest lesson of the lot because we've already done it. We finish cloud hands. We're in this position here. We pull the hands down. Right one continues to make the bird's beak. Left palm comes up, lifts the left leg. Step out on the heel. Extend out. Single whip. Exactly the same as the other one. So we finished cloud hands here. Remember, the reason for that right foot being the way it is to give you the perfect stepping out position. So we're here, pull down, bird's beak, lift to the second single whip. I have a tendency to keep this hand quite high. Round about the wrist should be round about shoulder height. It doesn't need to be up here. That's just me being extravagant.